How does the external environment impact business success? Understanding this is crucial for navigating today's dynamic markets. This video explores the essential elements that define a business's external environment. The external environment of a business includes all factors outside the organization affecting its operations. These factors can be macro, like political or economic trends, or micro, such as competitors and customers. Businesses must adapt to these ever-changing elements to stay competitive. Awareness of these factors is key to success. The macro environment encompasses elements beyond a business's control. These include global political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. Each of these can present opportunities or threats. Companies must monitor these to strategize effectively. Understanding the macro environment is essential for long-term planning. Micro-environment factors are closer to the business and include customers, suppliers, and competitors. These elements directly influence daily operations. Businesses must manage these relationships carefully. Adapting to micro-changes can provide a competitive edge. Constant evaluation is necessary for success. PESTLE analysis helps businesses evaluate the macro environment. It stands for political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors. This tool aids in identifying potential risks and opportunities. Each factor is crucial for strategic planning. PESTLE is a comprehensive framework for understanding external influences. Political factors include government policies and stability. These can affect taxes and regulations. Businesses must comply with these policies to operate smoothly. Political changes can impact market conditions. Staying informed helps mitigate risks. Economic factors such as inflation and exchange rates influence business operations. These affect pricing and consumer demand. Companies need to adapt to economic shifts to maintain profitability. Monitoring economic trends is vital. A proactive approach can safeguard against economic challenges. Social factors encompass cultural trends and consumer behaviors. These impact marketing strategies and product demand. Businesses must align with social expectations to succeed. Understanding social dynamics is key. This helps in creating relatable and appealing offerings. Technological advancements shape business operations and competitiveness. Staying ahead in technology can offer a significant advantage. Businesses must adopt new technologies to improve efficiency. Understanding tech trends is crucial. This ensures they remain relevant and innovative. Legal factors involve compliance with laws and regulations. These can impact operations and profitability. Businesses must adhere to legal standards to avoid penalties. Understanding legal obligations is critical. This ensures smooth and lawful operations. Environmental factors include sustainability and ethical practices. These affect corporate reputation and compliance. Businesses must consider environmental impacts in their strategies. Embracing sustainability can enhance brand image. This is increasingly important in today's market. Borders 5 Forces is a tool for analyzing industry competitiveness. It examines threats from new entrants and substitute products. The model also looks at bargaining power of suppliers and buyers. Understanding these forces aids strategic planning. This helps businesses navigate competitive landscapes. Measuring the external environment helps businesses identify opportunities and threats. It informs strategic decisions and planning. This understanding aids in adapting to market changes. Proactive measures can enhance competitiveness. It's essential for long-term success. Identifying opportunities can lead to growth and innovation. Recognizing threats helps in risk management. Businesses must balance both to thrive. This requires continuous monitoring and analysis. Effective management of these elements is crucial. Pestle analysis is applied to understand external influences. Each factor is assessed for its impact on business. This helps in strategic planning and risk mitigation. Real-world examples illustrate its effectiveness. Pestle remains a vital tool for businesses. PepsiCo uses Pestle to navigate global markets. Political and economic factors are critical for their strategies. Social and technological trends influence their branding. Legal and environmental considerations are also crucial. This comprehensive approach supports their success. Quantifying external factors involves detailed analysis. Techniques like Pestle provide valuable insights. This process helps in identifying risks and opportunities. Businesses can develop strategies based on this data. Quantification is key to informed decision-making. SWOT analysis complements Pestle by assessing strengths and weaknesses. It focuses on internal and external factors. This tool helps in strategic planning and competitive positioning. Understanding both aspects is essential for success. SWOT provides a balanced view of business dynamics. Assessing external factors involves continuous evaluation. Techniques like Pestle and SWOT aid this process. Businesses must remain vigilant to changes. This proactive approach is vital for thriving in dynamic markets. Strategic planning requires understanding external influences. Businesses must adapt to changes for sustained success. This involves leveraging tools like Pestle and SWOT. Effective planning enhances competitiveness. It's crucial for navigating complex environments. Understanding the external environment is vital for business success. By analyzing these factors, businesses can adapt and thrive. This video outlined key strategies for navigating external challenges.